actually goes when he drops you off. Okay, you have to go as the cactus. I'm just gonna go as the normal cactus today. Okay, as you can see, I already glowed up it. As you know, that Crazy Dave actually drops you off and then goes away. So I'm gonna show you where he goes. Actually, where he goes. This one involves the garlic drone. So yeah, just use the garlic drone from here. He actually, if you can just quite see it. Can you see that? Right over there. Right. I wish you can zoom in. Right there. That's his RV, right? Look at it. Look. Can you see that? Are you actually seeing what I'm seeing right now? That is actually Crazy Dave's van. And you can push it with the corn strike, I think. Let me just hold up. Here's the map, by the way. Pretty cool. That is Crazy Dave's van. Now we just put another edge strike on this guy. See if he'll come any closer. Nope. Doesn't look like it. But there you go. That's proof of Crazy Dave is still in the map. Oh, going crazy. And there he is. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, peace out.